Hello, good morning. Welcome back to Smart Learners Academy. So today we are going to learn how to open field delimited file in LibreOffice. So in LibreOffice spreadsheet, we have text to column functionality. Yes, this exact functionality we can see in Microsoft Office Excel also. So let's see what kind of raw data we have. So here is our text file which has raw data, and here field delimiter is pipe. So we have area, product and cell information, and these are corresponding rows. So you can see here the delimiter is pipe. So go back to spreadsheet. Now we will open our raw file in the spreadsheet. So while opening the spreadsheet itself, it will ask details like how you want to delimit the data, or how you want to represent this data in the Excel. So as of now, we will press OK without changing any settings. Say OK. You can see all our data came in column A. Now we want 3 columns because the field delimiter is 5 and we want to see 3 columns instead of just 1 column. So select that column, go to data menu, and you have option saying text to columns. Click on text to columns. Now this we are doing for 5 separated data. So here in other we can say pipe, and we can see in preview there are 3 columns: area, product and sale. Suppose your file is semicolon separated, then you can choose this particular checkbox. If it is tab separated, then choose this one. If it is space separated, then you can check this one. Or sometimes file is of fixed length column, then you can choose this one. And these are our 3 columns. So you can change the, sometimes we have date in the data, so you can change the date, change the data type of the column. By default is standard. Here I'll keep it as standard because we don't have any date as such. Sometimes data itself has pipe in it, so we will see it in one more example. In that case, string delimiter is pipe. That way it will consider that pipe is part of data and not the field separator. Then let's press on OK. So this is our data. Now we have 3 columns instead of just 1 column. We can give nice border to our data and highlight the header in bold. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.